Hey everyone, it's Zeynep from CompanyEnrich. I would love to give you a very quick tour of our products, API suite, and some real use cases teams building with our data. CompanyEnrich is a B2B data API suite that returns verified company and people information through a single REST interface. You can enrich company by domain or social profile, search more than 30 million companies by using more than 15 filters, find AI-powered lookalikes, resolve any work email to company and person information, and connect AI agents to leave data through our MCP server. Let's look at all the available endpoints on the dashboard first. So at the core of it, start with Company Enrichment API. Through API, you can provide domain, name, social URL to enrich the company. With our dashboard, you can enter a single domain and get full enriched company profile, which consists files like categorization. You can understand if this company is B2B, B2C, service provider, e-commerce, or more. You can get all available social profile links. You can get a brief introduction, like description of the company. This is not a description coming from LinkedIn or SEO descriptions. This is fully generated by looking at the whole content of the website by our scrapers. You can get address information, industry, NAICS code, which is not mostly available in other providers. Revenue data comes in, total funding data, and also you get the full funding history with which series, how much money they made, and also who is the investor. When it comes to employee files, you can either get an approximate number of employee size, or you can run our workforce endpoint, which is a separate endpoint you can also use on your list separately. You can load workforce data. You can see the exact number of observed employees. You can see the growth trend of the overall company, or you can break it down by department, which is available because we also provide the department size headcounts. You can see a tech stack, keywords, founder tier, and location generally. Next comes our company search endpoint. This isn't just a keyword-based or filter-based search functionality, but it also has a semantic query, where you can describe what you are looking for in your plain language. Let's say that we are looking for fintech payment companies. We write our prompt query, let's say. If we want, we can also add filters on top of that, so we can narrow down our search with category filters, let's say B2B, and we want funding details like funded after 2010. We get a list of companies which our algorithm behind finds relevant with the semantic query. You get all enriched profiles, and each row is available to enrich, score, and push into your CRM. Now, this one is really powerful for go-to-market themes, the similar companies API, which we also call Lookalike search. So you put in one company and it finds every company that looks like it. Same profile, same category and positioning. Let's say that we are looking for companies similar to Stripe. We enter our domain in the query bar. We can choose between broad and targeted, which means that if we go broad, the search results come with lower match scores, but the biggest and well-known companies on top. And if we go targeted, we'll end up with the highest match scored companies ranked. Again, with every other search functionality we have, you can add any filter on top of your lookalike. As a full API suite, along with company search, company enrichment, and company lookalikes endpoints, we also provide you with person search and reverse email lookup. With person side, you can search for employees by their domains, the company they are working at, their position, location, seniority, department, or the months in the current company or position. On top of that, you can also add company filters to filter their latest experience by their company, like technology, location, industry, keywords, etc., etc. Let's say that again. We are looking for employees working at Stripe. We have all the employees available in the list, and then we can search for finance related positions. The profile enriched with LinkedIn URL, the name, position, department, country, and address of the person. You can see the experience history here, and if you want, you can also enrich their email for your outreaches or like revenue operations, CRM, any other use case. With our reverse email Lookup API, you can turn this process vice versa. You give it an email address and it tells you exactly who that person is and where they work. In a clay table I created, I wanted to show you as a quick showcase here. So I provide the emails as input and I run company enrichment, reverse email lookup, and I get all relevant information that we saw in people search section, name, LinkedIn URL, position, department, and also all details for their latest experience company. Now, let me pull back and show you the full picture. I mean, the entire API suite at CompanyEnrich. So, as we talked, on the company side, you can run enrichment, search, and similar companies' APIs. And when it comes to people data, we provide you with search, enrichment, and workforce data. You can also do bulk enrichment jobs. We have available endpoints and APIs for that. And finally, MCP Server. To highlight MCP Server, you can call any endpoint CompanyEnrich provides in your AI agents through our MCP Server. When it comes to data side, CompanyEnrich is so obsessed with verification and cleaning processes, so it collects more than 900 million records through web crawls, registries, and partners, and run their verification and cleaning, so only 30 million companies and 170 million profiles reach your queries cleaned. Finally, when it comes to pricing, CompanyEnrich provides 3 different transparent packages for different needs and volumes. Our pricing starts as $49 per month with 5K credits, which makes it 0.009 cost per credit. And when you go higher in needs, volume, and the package, the credit cost decreases a lot, even to 0.001. So if you're operating high volume or integrating APIs into any other system or platform that you are running, going scale will also decrease your costs a lot. If you're building a platform, AI agent, sales workflow, or GTM operation, CompanyEnrich Data API Suite will cover your back. If you have any questions, please reach out to me for your specific use case so we can explore possible scenarios together. Take care.